Hi guys, so today's video will be a makeup tutorial on how I got this look right here. I did a nice dramatic smoky brown eye with some cranberry metallic lips. So, and this is perfect for the holidays, festive season. So, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, please keep on watching your girl.
Hi guys, so I accidentally filmed this whole, oh well, not the whole, half of this makeup tutorial with my camera mic off. Yeah, that's very stupid. But today we're going to be doing a voiceover for the first half, and then you can hear my voice in the second half. So all I'm doing is prime my eyelids with the LA Girl Conceal corrector in yellow. And I'm just putting that all over my eyelids and blending that out with my fingers. Now I'm going in with a transition color, and the transition color that I'm using is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's called Morocco. It's a nice brick brown. Have a lot of It has a lot of red undertones in it. You can use any transition color that you like, as long as it's a nice brown light color. And I'm just putting that in my crease area and blending that out with a crease blending brush. And that eye that you see me doing right now is my eye that always give me issues when I'm doing makeup. I know everybody have that one eye that always does not want to cooperate with you when you're doing your makeup, whether it's your eyeshadow or your eyebrow. There's just that one eye that don't want you to slay. But today, you're gonna slay. So now I'm packing on Fudge, which is also from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Anastasia, however you want to say it. It's just a deep, darker brown color, and I'm packing that right on my lid area. I'm just packing it on, building up the color. Now I'm going in with my crease brush that I had my Morocco eyeshadow on, and I'm just blending those two colors together, making sure they're even and they're seamless and the lines aren't harsh. And my nose is always itching when I do my makeup. I don't know why. I don't know what it is. My nose is always itching. And as you can see, I'm running off my mouth thinking that I was actually recording and my voice is non-existent in this video. So what you see me doing here is putting on a black eyeshadow, and it's also from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm packing it very close to my lash line. What this is gonna do is gonna hide my false eyelash bed that I'm gonna put on, and it's also gonna make my eyeshadow a lot more smokier. And because I'm doing this, I don't have to do a wing liner to hide my lash band. So this is another method that you can also use if you don't want to do wing liner, or if you can't do wing liner. Now I'm using my blending brush and I'm just blending out the edges off that black shadow that I just put down, because I don't want the lines to be harsh. I want everything to be smooth and blended. That's key. Major key. Blend, blend, blend. And blend some more even when you think you're done blending, okay? Now I'm putting Wisp highlighter from ColourPop in my inner tear ducts to just make sure my eye pop, but it's not hidden away in all this smoky eyeshadow that I'm doing. And right here, I'm showing you guys the foundation that I will be doing, and that's the Maybelline Matte and Poreless, and also the Black Radiance foundation. I'm going to mix the both of them. As you guys know, I love to mix foundations. And now I'm applying that foundation on my face. Make sure that it's evenly distributed, I can't talk. Evenly distributed on my face, making sure I'm covering up all these dark marks, age spots, sunspots that won't go away. So I'm spraying my brush with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and I'm using the e.l.f. powder brush to blend my foundation in. If you have a hard time blending your foundation, I would suggest spraying your brush before you go in. It makes it a lot easier. It makes it blend into the skin a lot easier also. And that's what I do. That's like a quick tip of how all I'm doing here is highlighting my face with the Rimmel Match Perfect concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers because it's so creamy and nice. And now I'm using my Real Techniques flat foundation brush and I'm blending that highlighter on. As you guys can tell, I'm a bit rusty. I haven't done a makeup tutorial, much less a voiceover, in how long, so please forgive me. Now I'm using that yellow powder that you see right there to set the highlighted areas. I'm not going to put a lot of powder on my face because in the wintertime I have combination dry skin. So I don't like to use a lot of powder because it makes my skin look very cakey and not cute. This is when I realized that my mic wasn't on, so
I'm
enjoy
using
my
the LA Girl
voice.
concealer to contour. I'm going to go in with my LA Girl contour kit. I'm going to use this shade right here. I'm going to contour. I need to get a different contour kit because I feel like this contour kit is actually making my cheeks, my contour line break out because I feel like there's a lot of talc in this one and my skin doesn't like talc. It doesn't like the Rimmel Stay Matte powder anymore. It doesn't like anything with too much talc in it. Get my foundation brush and just blend out harsh lines. If you make any mistakes on your face, you can use your foundation brush to just go over it and blend it out. Get Noir first, and that was the black shade. Put this directly in my waterline area and a little bit below. With a brush like this, I'm going to get Morocco. I'm getting fudge. What Morocco? I'm getting fudge and smoking out that black shadow. I don't know which lip to do. I don't know if I should do like a chocolatey lip or a metallic-y lip or a nude lip or a red lip. But now I'm gonna put on some mascara. Go with the lip that I thought I was gonna use. I'm gonna go with a more metallic lip cream in Pretty. Let's hope this comes out how I want it. This is the finished makeup look. Nice smoky eye with some metallic dramatic cranberry lips. If you like seeing more videos like this, please leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Deuce.